Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change the subtitle settings, simply pause your game by pressing the Start button or the Escape button on your keyboard. Then navigate into Options, and then go into the Audio section. From here, just scroll down until you reach the Language section, and here you will find the subtitle settings. You can either choose to have it enabled or disabled by choosing on or off. Then you have the subtitle size feature, which ranges from small, medium, and large. You can also set to have a subtitle background so that the text is much easier to read. After making your desired changes, just go back and your changes will have been saved. You can now continue to play with your desired subtitle settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your subtitle settings on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.